What if some of the most comfortable furniture in your home didn't come from a luxury showroom? What if it started life as discarded construction plywood, forgotten workshop offcuts, and surplus cork sheets destined for waste bins? Most people see salvaged materials as limitations. Designers and craftsmen see opportunities. They see hidden potential waiting to be unlocked through engineering, creativity, and thoughtful design. Today, we're exploring 8 incredible ergonomic furniture projects that prove sustainability and luxury can coexist beautifully. By combining reclaimed plywood with natural cork, we're not simply building furniture. We're creating functional art designed around the human body. Every curve, angle, and surface is engineered to support posture, comfort, and long-term usability, while minimizing environmental impact. The beauty of this approach lies in its contradiction. Materials once considered waste become sophisticated pieces worthy of modern interiors. Precision-cut plywood provides strength and structure, while natural cork delivers warmth, cushioning, and tactile comfort. Together, they bridge the gap between industrial leftovers and premium living. So let's explore 8 remarkable furniture concepts that demonstrate how zero-waste craftsmanship can rival anything found in a designer furniture showroom. 1. The ergonomic lounge chair that supports natural posture. The first project begins with perhaps the most important piece of furniture in any relaxation space, the lounge chair. Most mass-produced chairs prioritize appearance first and comfort second. As a result, many force the body into unnatural positions that create tension across the neck, shoulders, and lower back. An ergonomic lounge chair built from salvaged plywood approaches comfort differently. Instead of rigid right angles, the chair incorporates carefully sculpted curves that follow the body's natural posture. Layers of reclaimed plywood are laminated together and cut into flowing contours that distribute body weight evenly. The addition of natural cork transforms the experience further. Cork adapts slightly to pressure, creating a subtle cushioning effect without requiring thick foam padding. The result feels warm, supportive, and surprisingly luxurious. What makes this project particularly exciting is that every visible layer of plywood tells a story. The exposed edges reveal the construction process itself, turning structural engineering into part of the aesthetic. This isn't just furniture, it's architecture designed for sitting. 2. The zero-waste ergonomic reading bench. Imagine a reading bench specifically engineered to encourage proper posture during long periods of sitting. Many traditional benches are visually attractive but uncomfortable after only a short time. The flat surfaces provide little support, causing users to constantly shift positions. A plywood and cork reading bench solves this problem through carefully calculated ergonomics. The seat is slightly angled to reduce pressure on the lower spine. The backrest follows the natural curve of the human body. The armrests are positioned to reduce shoulder strain while holding books or tablets. Natural cork panels line key contact areas, providing warmth and softness without compromising durability. Placed beside a window or within a quiet reading corner, this bench becomes more than seating. It becomes a destination. A place designed intentionally for relaxation, focus, and comfort. 3. The sculptural cork top. Coffee table furniture doesn't always need to be soft to be ergonomic. Even a coffee table can be designed around human interaction. Traditional coffee tables often feature sharp corners and uncomfortable proportions that interrupt movement throughout a room. A sculptural plywood coffee table takes a different approach. Using layered plywood cut into organic shapes, the table appears almost carved by nature. The top surface incorporates natural cork sections that create tactile zones for placing books, laptops, beverages, and decorative objects. The cork not only protects surfaces but also introduces warmth that contrasts beautifully with the plywood grain. Because salvaged plywood is used throughout the project, every table develops unique patterns and character. No two pieces are ever identical. The result feels contemporary, sustainable, and highly refined. 4. The ergonomic home office chair. As remote work becomes increasingly common, ergonomic seating has never been more important. Unfortunately, many office chairs rely heavily on plastic components and synthetic materials. A handcrafted ergonomic office chair built from reclaimed plywood offers a compelling alternative. The frame is engineered to support proper spinal alignment while maintaining visual elegance. The seat and backrest feature layered cork panels that conform gently to body pressure. The flexibility of cork helps reduce fatigue during long work sessions. Meanwhile, precision-cut plywood components provide exceptional strength without excessive weight. The design demonstrates that office furniture can be both environmentally responsible and aesthetically beautiful. Instead of hiding construction behind plastic shells, the structure itself becomes a design feature. Every curve serves a purpose. Every joint contributes to comfort. 5. The floating ergonomic wall. Desk modern living often requires furniture that saves space without sacrificing functionality. A floating wall desk crafted from salvaged plywood is a perfect example. Unlike bulky desks that dominate a room, this design appears lightweight and architectural. The work surface is positioned at an ergonomic height to promote healthy posture. Integrated cork panels create comfortable resting areas for wrists and forearms. Hidden storage compartments help maintain a clean workspace while preserving minimalist aesthetics. Because the desk is wall-mounted, floor space remains open and uncluttered. This creates a sense of spaciousness even in smaller apartments or home offices. The project proves that sustainable furniture can solve practical design challenges while remaining visually sophisticated. 6. The contoured meditation and floor seating platform. Not all furniture needs legs. In many modern homes, floor seating has become increasingly popular for meditation, reading, relaxation, and informal gatherings. This project transforms salvaged plywood into a low-profile ergonomic platform designed specifically for floor-based living. The platform incorporates subtle contours that support the pelvis and encourage better posture. Natural cork surfaces provide warmth under the body and reduce discomfort during extended sitting sessions. The layered plywood construction creates beautiful visual depth while maintaining structural stability. Unlike traditional floor cushions that compress over time, this hybrid design provides consistent support. The result is a unique fusion of furniture, wellness, and sculpture. A simple object that quietly improves everyday comfort. 7. The ergonomic modular shelving and seating hybrid. One of the most innovative concepts combines storage and seating into a single multifunctional system. Using reclaimed plywood panels, modular units are constructed with precise interlocking joinery. Some sections function as shelves, others become benches. Additional modules can be rearranged as needs change. Natural cork inserts soften seating surfaces and provide visual contrast against the plywood structure. The flexibility of the design makes it ideal for modern living spaces where adaptability is increasingly valuable. The project demonstrates how sustainable furniture can respond to changing lifestyles without requiring constant replacement. Instead of owning separate pieces for every function, a single intelligently designed system accomplishes multiple tasks. 8. The signature ergonomic daybed. The final project represents the ultimate expression of comfort, craftsmanship, and sustainable luxury. An ergonomic daybed built from salvaged plywood and natural cork combines everything we've discussed so far into one statement piece. The frame flows in continuous curves inspired by the natural contours of the human body. The backrest supports multiple lounging positions. Integrated cork surfaces create warmth and tactile comfort. The layered plywood structure showcases exceptional craftsmanship while maintaining visual lightness. Placed in a living room, studio, reading space, or sunroom, the daybed immediately becomes the focal point of the environment. It invites relaxation, it encourages mindfulness, and it demonstrates that discarded materials can be transformed into objects of remarkable beauty. Why plywood and cork work so well together? At first glance, plywood and cork may seem like unusual partners, yet they complement each other perfectly. Plywood provides strength, stability, and structural flexibility. Cork provides comfort, thermal insulation, sound absorption, and tactile warmth. Both materials are highly versatile. Both can be shaped with precision, and both support sustainable design principles when sourced responsibly. Together, they create furniture that feels simultaneously modern and natural, engineered yet organic, minimalist yet inviting. The importance of ergonomics in furniture design. Many people associate ergonomics exclusively with office furniture. In reality, ergonomics influences every interaction we have with our environment. The angle of a chair, the height of a table, the curve of a backrest, the position of an armrest. Small design decisions have enormous impacts on long-term comfort and health. By prioritizing spinal alignment, pressure distribution, and natural movement patterns, furniture becomes more than decoration. It becomes an active contributor to well-being. This is why ergonomic design continues gaining importance across every area of modern living. How sustainable craftsmanship challenges luxury furniture. One of the most fascinating developments in contemporary design is the changing definition of luxury. For decades, luxury was associated primarily with expensive materials and exclusivity. Today, many consumers value something different. They value authenticity. They value sustainability. They value craftsmanship. Furniture built from salvaged materials embodies all three. Rather than hiding imperfections, it celebrates them. Rather than consuming new resources unnecessarily, it extends the life of existing materials. Rather than relying on mass production, it emphasizes thoughtful construction. The result often feels more meaningful than conventional luxury products. Perhaps the greatest lesson from these 8 furniture concepts is that waste is often a matter of perspective. A discarded plywood sheet is not necessarily waste. An unused cork panel is not necessarily waste. With imagination, skill, and thoughtful engineering, these materials become something entirely different. They become lounge chairs that support healthy posture, reading benches that encourage relaxation, office furniture that improves productivity, shelving systems that adapt to changing lifestyles, and statement pieces that rival the aesthetics of high-end designer collections. The fusion of salvaged plywood and natural cork proves that sustainable craftsmanship is not about compromise. It's about innovation. It's about finding beauty where others see limitations. And it's about creating furniture that serves both people and the planet with equal care. Because true luxury isn't defined by how much material we consume. It's defined by how intelligently we use what already exists. And when discarded materials are transformed into ergonomic works of functional art, sustainability becomes more than a design philosophy. It becomes a lifestyle.